Looking for hassle-free dumpster rental services in Selma, North Carolina? Your search ends with Dumpster King. At Dumpster King, we pride ourselves on delivering top-notch waste management solutions that are easy, efficient, and environmentally friendly. Whether you're renovating your home, clearing out your garage, or managing a large construction project, we've got the perfect dumpster for you. Based right here in Selma, North Carolina, we understand your needs. Our local team is committed to providing quick delivery and prompt pickup, so you can focus on what's important without any waste worries. Choose from a variety of dumpster sizes to suit any job, big or small. Not sure what size you need? Our expert team is just a call away to help you select the perfect dumpster for your project. Ready to clean up your space? It's simple. Just give us a call at 919-669-7370 or visit us online at www.dumpsterkingnc.com. Dumpster Rental Selma NC to schedule your rental. Dumpster King, your trusted partner in keeping Selma clean and clutter-free.